Do you think you could beat an AI lawyer, Randall?
No.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, I do.
How
Because
so?
Because AI at its core identity involves the word intelligence, and y'all are vastly overestimating the amount of intelligence that people who make decisions of import in the court system have.
Yeah, but I think you're looking at AI as something that can't do what humans can do, but it actually outscores humans on everything. So it has they recently did an IQ test on GPT-4, and it scored, I think it was 155. But it's got a 155 IQ, but it can do volumes more simultaneously than a human being can.
But what I'm saying is, like, it may know and have access to all this stuff, and I'm inventing a judge out of thin air so that if this goes out, like, I'm just going to say Judge Jenkins, because there is no Judge Jenkins.
Oh, he's good.
But, like, is AI going to know that you have to fashion your argument to make Judge Jenkins, to stroke Judge Jenkins's ego, so that Judge Jenkins thinks that it was their idea to dismiss the case? These are the nuances that I think you have to figure out, like that are the human element.
It would know Judge Jenkins better than Judge Jenkins knows Judge Jenkins.
That is a bold statement.
It could look through it could look through all of Judge Jenkins' previous arguments or previous cases, and look through the transcripts of all the cases, and it would know exactly who Judge Jenkins is, how they think, why they think, which arguments work best with that judge. What's the weak point in this judge? I think you would have to have an AI judge to deal with an AI attorney.
The issue is, like, also, and I think there's a misconception. There's no court reporter in district court, so there's no record. So, like, the Judge Jenkins,
do they not record the cases?
Not in court, not in district court. No,
it's not important.
Well, it's
Anything goes.
It's because they're, number one, they're non-jury trials in North Carolina, and number two, if you lose in district court, you get an automatic appeal de novo up to Superior Court. So if your appeal automatically wipes away everything that was said or done in district court, then why spend the money to record it?
Yeah.
Some of the other non-criminal stuff, and you can make a motion for recordation and bring a court reporter, and if you need it. But some of them are audio recorded, like custody disputes are, in case a judge kind of. They're mostly used to honestly tame judges who go off the rails and say things or do things that they're not supposed to do. Like,
they do that?
From a judicial standpoint, you know what I mean? Like, cause you can't. That's the other thing about district court is, like, it's a wild, wild west for the law. They don't have to. There's no consequence to them applying or misapplying the law, because the appeal just wipes out everything they did.
Very subjective, which our establishment's pretty subjective now anyway.
Yeah.
Which is why it's